Hi, and welcome to this amazing section that we are going to learn how to get started with the material design and explore toolbars, collapsing toolbars, snack bars, and button navigations. In this video, we are going to create and customize our first toolbar as app bar. One of the most important design elements of any activity is the app bar, also known as the action bar. App bar came along with Android 3 API. App bar came along with Android 3 API level 11. App bars are mostly interactable and very familiar for users. In the most basic form, it will show the activity name, such as a login page. Users predict that they can find their location, search, navigation, and so on in the app bar, which are all useful and important information and give your app a consistent look. There are many ways to implement the app bar. Some themes provide action bar. You can even customize it by using the App Compact toolbar, and it's way too easier to set up the action bar. The toolbar widget provides a material design experience on devices running Android 2.1 API level 7 or later, but the native action bar doesn't support material design unless the device is running Android 5, which means API level 21 or later. Now let's set up a toolbar. For adding toolbars, we only need to add App Compact v7. Going back to Styles, under our res folder in the style.xml, we should change the theme to no action bar. If you don't set this, your app won't start. It will crash with an error that says activity already has an action bar supplied by the window decor. If you want to change the color of your toolbar, you have to change the primary color. Just set a new hex color instead of this, and you have it. The primary dark color changes the status bar. Now we want to add the toolbar to our main activity. In the main activity XML, I add the toolbar. I give it an ID attribute and set the ID as Activity Main Toolbar. The height is action bar size, which is a standard size. And by setting width as match parent, our toolbar will be compatible with all devices. Also, we need to set a background color. And then we have to set it in main activity. We have to call set support action bar and find our toolbar by ID. Okay, now I want to run it on emulator and see what is the outcome. For further customization on your app bar, you can get your action bar reference by typing, and then explore all the different functionalities like hide and show and other functionalities, like setting subtitles, titles. There are so many different functionalities. Also, if we define our toolbar as a separate value, we can explore more functions, such as setting logos, titles, subtitles, and so on.